Hello class, it's Alexis Balferman. I am going to be talking about PHP password verify function. I would recommend you watching the PHP password hash function presentation before you keep going on with mine, because that would help you understand the password verify function better. The new password hashing API introduces 4 simple functions. We are only going to mention the first 2 and of course focus on the second one. Password hash hashes the password. Password verify verifies a password against its hash. When developing a user-based web application system, we need a secure way to store the password information in the database. The password verify function on PHP helps us accomplish this by allowing us to specifically generate and store passwords without the risk of being easily hacked. Password Verify is in charge of verifying that a password matches a hash. Note that password hash returns algorithm, cost and salt as part of the return hash. Therefore, all information that's needed to verify the hash is included in it. This allows the verify function to verify the hash without needing to separate storage for the salt or algorithm information. The parameters of password verify are 2. 1. The user's password, and 2. A hash created by password hash. This is an example of a password verify function that will be used to verify hash or password generated using password hash function. This example will output password is valid. This function is safe enough for a timing attack, meaning that it is pretty safe from being hacked into. If we compare it to an MD5 or SHA-1 hashing to store passwords, these later ones can easily crack the hash generated from MD5 and SHA-1 functions using Rainbow algorithm. Here is an example of one. So in this example, as you can see, there is a string of numbers and letters that will only be used for a specific password. And that's the reason why it's easy to hack. To avoid any hacking into your passwords, adding extra salt with the password is needed to generate a more complex hash as shown in this example. In order to use a salt mechanism, we need to store the salt and hash in the database for authentication to succeed. Remember that without a password hash, there cannot be a password verify. Password verify verifies that a password matches a hash. This function returns true if the password and hash match, or false otherwise. I hope you guys have a good week and that this helps you with this week's assignment. Thank you so much. Bye.